In Egypt, there are a total of 138 pyramids that have faced numerous earthquakes and dangerous storms over thousands of years. However, none of them have shifted even slightly. The tallest and biggest among them is the Great Pyramid of Giza, with a base area of 13 acres. To give you an idea, you can comfortably fit not just one but an entire 9 football fields inside this pyramid. It's estimated that approximately 2.3 million large stones were used in building this pyramid, with some of them weighing as much as 50 tons. If we calculate the total weight, it comes out to be around 6 million tons. But what was the purpose of constructing such tall and magnificent pyramids thousands of years ago, when humans did not even have advanced tools? In today's video, we will explore the construction techniques of this pyramid that have puzzled researchers for centuries. Before the construction of pyramids, it was necessary to search the land that could withstand the weight of these massive stones. After finding the land, without the help of a compass or optical instruments, they marked each side of the pyramid precisely using the guidance of the polar stars. This was how the direction of the pyramid was set with 0 errors thousands of years ago. After choosing the land, leveling the ground is essential, because if even a tiny bit of the pyramid's land was not level, then standing this massive rock of 2,300,000 stones was nearly impossible. Experts believe that at the construction site, they likely dug trenches on all 4 sides of the pyramid and filled them with water. After that, they matched the water level on one side to the water level on the other side. Any part of the ground not matching the water level must have been leveled using chisels and hammers. Some experts also think that the ancient Egyptians might have used a simple tool for this, a rope tied to wooden pegs with a stone hanging in the center. If the stone touched the ground and the rope aligned perfectly with the center line, it meant the land was perfectly level. Now on the pyramid construction site, the directions were set and markings were done, and the ground level was set. Now it was time to start the construction, which required tons of workers and large stones, but they did not have grinders and jackhammers to cut these stones. Nevertheless, they managed to cut 50 tons of stones and gave them a square or rectangular shape. But in the end, whose help was it? Well, it was just one tool: chisels. Experts believe that the chisel used in the construction of the pyramid was not made solely from copper, because they knew copper is soft and cannot cut stones. That's why they included a chemical arsenic in it. This chisel made from copper and arsenic was used by the laborers to chip away at the stones, and after many hours of hard work, they shaped them into large stones. Cutting of those limestones was being done at 250 kilometers away from the pyramid construction site in city of Tora in Giza. The biggest challenge here was transporting these stones. Each stone weighed 50 tons, which was equivalent to the weight of approximately 3 passenger buses. In those days, there were no vehicles or animals capable of doing the job. In today's world, this task would still pose a significant challenge to transport companies. This monumental task was accomplished with the help of workers and boats. The advantage of the river between Tora and Giza was utilized. Large stones were loaded into boats and transported to the pyramid site. Experts believe that even in modern times, this task would not be easy. Loading and unloading such massive stones on ships would require an army of at least 500 laborers working simultaneously. Now, let's talk about another challenge. Placing those huge stones in accurate angle was not only a single issue, it was also about creating pathways inside the pyramid. Several compartments and small tunnels were built inside the pyramids. But inside the compartments, they used granite instead of limestone. Yes, granite is an extremely hard stone, and cutting granite is nearly impossible without heavy machinery. Archaeological experts worldwide visited the site, but no one could find a clue as to how the Egyptians cut granite so cleanly. Finally, after many years, experts solved this mystery too. The Egyptians cut granite with a peculiar method. They used a wooden frame with no teeth on either side. They applied pressure to move it across the granite surface while adding sand in between. The experts believe that using this method, it took about 4 months to cut such large stones. But what was the purpose of building the pyramid? You will discover all this and more in the next exciting episode, so subscribe our channel and thank you for your love-filled comments.